Hello, here at Prorate, we are always working on many fantastic updates, and 2 of those updates are going live today. Today we are launching Team Commission Management, and we are also launching Deduction Prorating for individual deductions. So from now on, you will be able to track your teams in Prorate by setting up and assigning agents to teams, calculate team commissions, having individual deductions prorate based off of award allocation, and most importantly, providing analytics to help understand how efficient your teams are. Before we dive in, I wanted to make sure that you realize that the team management function is available in all plans and is already available in the system. Now with teams, the very first step is to, of course, establish those teams in Prorate. That can be done underneath the settings, fields. You then want to go to teams and add any teams that you want to have for your brokerage. I've already gone ahead and set up 2 different teams, Alpha and Beta. After those teams have been created, you then go into your users section and assign the correct agent to the correct team. So as you can see, Taylor has already been assigned to Team Alpha. Now to get Lauren on the Team Alpha with Taylor, we just select Lauren, select Edit, and then assign her to the correct team. After our agents have been added to their teams, we then want to create a team commission plan. We can do that in our commission plans section. Create whatever plan it is that you need, following your normal split sliding scale guidelines. After the tiers have been established, where it asks who it's accrued by, rather than selecting agent, we have a new button now that allows us to select agent's team. So this commission plan will now keep track of company dollar contribution by the entire team rather than by each individual agent. You can leave the same period, whatever it currently is, year to date, since last anniversary. After you're done with your tiers and your amounts, you then hit save. You now have a commission plan that is now tracking the company dollar contribution split by the team as a whole rather than individual agents. Now, just like before, we need to assign these users to the correct commission plan. So we're going to go to our users section. We're going to confirm that Taylor still has access to that team plan number 1. We're going to select Lauren and make sure that she's added to it as well. So we click Add Plan, choose the correct commission plan, and now we have 2 different agents that are sharing the team plan number 1. After the agents have been assigned to their correct plan, from now on, when we add them to transactions, whether they're acting individually or with both team members, you'll see that when you go into their commissions, their split is now tracking based off of the agent's team on their transactions. The second new feature that we are launching today is the ability to prorate individual deductions amount by the award allocation assigned to that agent. So what you'll see now on the transaction fee deduction is it's set for $300 based off of a simple calculation, not prorated at all. So what that means is that every agent who uses this particular deduction will pay the full $300. However, oftentimes if agents are on a team and they're on a transaction, they only have to pay a portion of this. So to make this work, we can now choose this drop down, select award allocation, and now each agent on this transaction will pay a different amount of this $300 based off of their award allocation. For an example of that, if we go back into that transaction we were just in a moment ago, you'll see on the commission section here that Taylor is paying $120 of the $300 and Lauren is paying $180 of that $300 transaction fee. That is happening because on the award allocation side, Taylor is receiving 40%, Lauren is receiving 60%, so that individual deduction was divided accordingly. Now, after we've created our teams, assigned them to our agents, and assigned those agents to transactions, we want to come into our reports to see how our teams are doing. So you can see on this listings report that I'm on right now, it shows us 2 different transactions. Now, if we only wanted to see the transactions involved with a certain team, all we have to do is click on the All Teams filter here, choose the drop-down, choose the correct team that we're looking for, and now we see just the transactions related to that particular team. That ends our demonstration today on our 2 brand new features. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions via our telephone number or our support@brokermint.com email address. You can also reach out to us via online chat, and then we also have a great video guide section that has videos like this that you can watch as often as you like. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you very much for choosing BrokerMint.